Hello everyone. In this video we will learn some of the meta commands which we are going to use while creating or working with the Postgres. So these are some of the meta commands which we are going to use, which we'll be using a lot while working with the Postgres. But if you want to know all the meta commands available in the Postgres, so what you can do, you can go to this official documentation website. Let me just show you the okay. So this is the official documentation website where you can have look at all the meta commands available in the Postgres. So how to identify meta commands? It's very easy. All the meta commands in the Postgres start with backslash. So whatever starts with backslash, you can okay. Let me just okay. Anything you enter in Postgres PSQL that begins with the unquoted backslash is an PSQL meta commands. Okay, so this is how you can identify meta command. It is going to start with the backslash. So in this video we will look at some of these meta commands and how to use them. So the first meta command, which is backslash l. So backslash l used to list out all the databases available in the Postgres. So these are all the databases which we currently have. What if you want to use particular database? So what we can do is backslash c to connect to that database. Okay, so what I can do is backslash c and name of the database I want to use. Okay, so now you are connected to the database users. So with this I can do queries or create tables inside this database. So before doing like creating tables or any other things inside the database, you first need to connect to that database. So this is the very useful command. The next command is backslash d to list out all the tables which we have created in this users database. So we can do backslash d and it will going to show all the tables available inside this database. What if you want to know what are the columns available in this information table? So for this we can use backslash d and the name of the table. Okay, so backslash d, name of the table is information. Okay, so it will going to describe this information database. Okay, so that's what this command does. Backslash d table name describes the table. So this information table has name column, age, address, phone number and DOB column, date of birth column. So we'll be using this command to describe the database. The next command is to get help. If you want to have help with the particular command, okay, so these are all the commands. I use backslash h to list out all the commands available in the Postgres. So these are all the commands available in the Postgres. Okay, you can see like create database here, create database command which we use in the last video. There are other commands like create table and all other things. Okay, what if you want to know how to use this okay, how to use this create database command? So what you can do is backslash h and the name of the command, create database. Okay, and if I press enter now, it will going to show me how to use this create database command. So create database, then description is create a new database and the syntax for the creating database. Okay, it will also going to show you the link to this how to use this syntax. Then there is last command, which is backslash q to quit or close this SQL shell. Okay, if I do and backslash q, it will going to ask me to enter any key to continue, and then it will going to close this SQL shell. Okay, so this is the documentation website. You will get this in the description, and you will have available, you can have a look at all these meta commands which are available in the Postgres. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.